Welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Intro Cap 1 year and report. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is Excel Introductory Capstone 1 year and report. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the Excel file student Excel intro cap 1 year and report graded has automatically downloaded with this project. We go to the Excel file. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on a net sale worksheet calculate total in this range F4 to F8 and B9 to F9. Apply the total sale style to the range B9 to F9. Copy the range F4 to F8. Go to the Excel worksheet and paste the Excel worksheet. Press enter button. Calculate the total range F4 to F8. Create a sum function. Type is equal to and type the sum function and 4 quarters selected range F4 to B4 to E4. Press enter. Copy the formula. Copy the formula. And second range is B9 to F9. Copy the range and paste the range. Press enter. So selected range B9 to F9 and insert the sum function to the range B9 to F9. Type is equal to type the sum function and range is selected B4 to B8. Close bracket. Press enter button and copy the formula B9 to F9. F9 and apply the total sale style to the range B9 to F9. Copy the range B9 to F9. Paste the range. Press enter button and apply the total sale style. Go to the home tab. Go to the style group. Click on cell style and apply the total sale style. Total sale style. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is using the absolute cell reference as a necessary in a cell G4, construct a formula to calculate the percentage that the Colorado total is the total cell and then apply the percent style with the zero decimal places. Fill the formula down through the range G5 to G8. Insert the formula in cell G4. Calculate the percentage Colorado total and total sales. Select the cell as G4. Type is equal to and type select the total is Colorado total and divided by total sales and total set using the absolute cell reference. Press F4 button. Press enter button. Apply the absolute reference. Fill the formula down through the range G5 to G8. Copy the formula G5 to G8. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the range H4 to H8, insert the line sparkle and represent the trend of each state across for a 4 quarter. Do not include the total. Display the marker. In the range H4 to H8, copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range, press enter button. Insert the line sparkline to represent the trend of each state across the 4 quarter. Do not include the total. Display the marker. Insert the sparkline. Go to the insert tab. Go to the insert a line sparkline. Sparkline group. Click a line and data range is the present trend straight across the 4 quarter. Data range is a 4 quarter. Click OK. And do not include the total. And display the marker. Select the range, sparkline, and click a marker. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is select the range A3 to E8 and then use the recommended chart command suggested approaches chart. Click the first cluster column chart. Use the stair name as the category axis. Align the upper left corner of the chart inside upper left corner of cell A11 and then size the chart so that you lower right corner to slightly inside the cell H24. Select the range A3 to E8. Press enter button and then use the recommended chart. Suggested chart is the first cluster column chart. Stair name category axis. Include the stair name and category axis. Go to the insert tab and go to the recommended chart and apply the first cluster column chart. Click OK. First cluster column chart and align the upper left corner chart inside the A11. Move and drag the chart is A11 and size the charts so the lower right corner is slightly inside the cell H24. H24 slightly chart is the H24 H24 and apply the chart style 7. Go to the chart design and chart design is 7. Styles chart style is 7. As the chart title, type the quarterly net sale by states. Copy the chart title quarterly net sale by states and paste the chart. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is to show the percentage that each state contribute to the total sales. Select the non-adjacent range that represent the state name and state total inside the 3D pie chart and move the chart new sheet is the name the new sheet is the net sale by states. To show the present each state contribute the total sales column F and select the non-adjacent range that represent state name and state total. State name and state total. State name the total F state name and state total. Select the non-adjacent, insert the 3D pie chart. Go to the insert tab, go to the chart group, click a 3D chart, insert the 3D chart and move the chart sheet name is the net sale by states. Right click, click on move a chart, new chart sheet name is the net sale by states, click OK. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a change the chart title to annual net sale by states and then change the chart title from font size is 36. Remove the legend from the charts and then add a data label to the display only category name and percentage position in the center. Change the chart title is annual net sale by states. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title. Paste the chart title and change the chart title font size is 36. Font size is 36. Go to the home tab, go to the font group and click the 36 and font size is 36. Remove the legend from the charts, add a data label, display category name and percentage position in the center. Remove the legend and add the data label. Go to the chart element button and remove the legend, add the data label. Add a data label that display the only category name and percentage. More option and data label. Go to the more option and click the category name and percentage, category name and percentage position in the center. Position in the label position is the center and change the data label font size is 14. Data label font size is 14. Go to the home tab, font group and font size is 14. So apply the font size is 14 and apply the bold italic. Go to the home tab, go to the font group, click a bold and italic. Change the font color is the white background one. Font color, go to the font color and white background one font color. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a select the entire pie and display the format data series pane. From a 3D format gallery, modify the 3D option by changing to top bevel and bottom bevel. The first bevel is the first row, and set all width and height boxes 512, and then change the material third standard type plastic. Select the entire pie and display the format data series. Select the format data series and from the 3D format gallery, modify the 3D option by changing the top bevel and bottom bevel. Click effect and go to the 3D format. Top bevel is first bevel. Top bevel is the first bevel and bottom bevel is the first row. Bottom bevel is the first bevel and select the all width and height is boxes 512 and then change the materials third standard type plastic. Width and height is 512. Type the width and type the 512 is height and bottom bevel with this 512 and height is 512. Press enter and material to the third standard type is the plastic. Scroll down and go to the material and select the material is the plastic. Material type is the plastic. So question number 8 is complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is insert the custom footer with the file name in the left section and then save your workbook. Insert the custom footer with the file name in the left section. Go to the page layout tab and go to the page setup group and select the header and footer. Go to the custom footer and custom footer is the file name left section. Left section, center section and right section. Left section is the file name. Insert the file name, click OK and again OK. Left section the file name and save your workbook. Click save. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is on the Saturn inventory worksheet in the cell B5, enter the function that will display the average retail price. In the cell B6, enter function that will display the median retail price. In the cell B7, enter the function that will calculate the lowest retail price. In the cell B8, go to the Saturn inventory worksheet. Saturn inventory worksheet. In the cell B5, enter the function display the average retail price. Average price is the type is equal to type the average function. Average function. B5 is the average retail price. Display the average retail price. Select the column is retail price. Close bracket, press enter button. In a cell B6, enter the function that will display the median retail price. In a cell B7, in a cell B6, enter the function that display the median retail price. Type is equal to type the median function, and retail price range is number 1 is a retail price D42 D19, close bracket, press enter button. Next is a enter a function that will calculate the lowest retail price in a cell B8, and enter a function that will calculate highest retail price. Format the range B5 to B8 with the accounting number format. Lowest price is a type is equal to and type the minimum function, and range is a retail price D42 D19, close bracket, press enter button. Next is a in a cell B8, enter the function that will calculate the highest retail price. Highest retail price is a type is equal to insert the maximum function is the max function, and range is the retail price D42 D19, close bracket, press enter button. Format the in B5 to B8 with the accounting number format. Copy the range B5 to B8 and paste the range, press enter button, and apply the accounting number format. Go to the home tab, go to the number group, click accounting number format. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is in the cell B10, insert the counter function that count the number of striking item in the support column. Insert the counter function in cell B10. Go to the cell B10 and type the counter function. Type is equal to type the counter function. Open the counter function dialog box and range is a count number is the striking atom in the support column. Range is the support column. Select the range F42 F19 and criteria is the striking. Copy the criteria and paste the criteria, click OK. So the striking is the 2. Question number 11 is complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is on the settle inventory worksheet in a cell G14, enter the if function to determine the item B order. Go to the settle inventory worksheet. Select the settle inventory worksheet, and in the cell G40, enter the if function to determine the item be ordered. If the quantity stopped less than 50, then the cell should display the order. If not, then the cell should display the OK. Copy down through the G19. Insert the function if function in cell G19. Select the cell is G14 and insert the if function quantity stock less than 50, and then cell should display the order, not then should display OK. Type is equal to type the if function, double click if function, open the if function dialog box, and logical test is Logical test is the quantity stock less than 50 and display the order. Logical test is the quantity stock column, sorry, quantity stock less than 15. Quantity stock less than 15 and display the order, not then the cell should display the OK. Value of true is the type of order and value of false is type of OK. Click OK. Copy the function down through cell G19. Copy the function. Cell is G19. So question number 12 is a complete. We can move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is a format the range A30 to G19 as the table with the header. Filter the table on the support column to display the only type of skiking. Type a display the total in the table and then sum the quantity stock for skiking item. Type the result in the cell B11. Insert the table header and filter the table support column, display only the skiking. Select the ranges A30 to G19. Yes, the range, press enter button. As the table header, insert the table, go to the insert tab and click a table, create a table header, table, create a table, and the range is A30 to G19, click OK. And filter the table support column, display only skiking type. Filter the table support column, select the support column, click a support column arrows, only skiking, select all and display the skiking, click OK. Display only skiking type and display the total row in the table and then sum the quantity stock skiking item, type result B11. Display the total row, go to the table design and go to the table style option, click on total row, total and sum the quantity stock in the skiking item. Click the quantity stock and click a sum. Sum the quantity stock column and type the result in a cell B11. Select the cell is B11 and type the result is 86. Press enter button. And remove the total row from the table. Clear the filter. Clear the support filter. Remove the total row. Go to the home tab. Go to the table design group and remove the total row. Move the total row from the table and then clear the support filter. Click the support column and clear the filter from a support. So question number 13 is a complete. We can move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is the add a gradient fill below data bar in the range A40 to A19. Add the condition of formatting in the range G40 to G19 to cell with the text that contain word order and formatted the bold italic, sort the table by item hash smallest to largest. Copy the range A40 to A19 and paste the range, press enter. Add the gradient fill below data bar. Go to the home tab, go to the conditional group and Plus the data bar is the gradient fill, blue data bar. Gradient fill, blue data bar, and the conditioner formatting to the range G40 to G19 as the cell with the text that contain word order and formatted bold and italic. Sort the table item hash smallest to largest. Copy the range G40 to G19. Paste the range, press enter button. And the conditioner formatting to the range cell with the text that contain order. Go to the style group and highlight cell rule is the go to the text data contain, highlight text data contain, and word is order, copy the order, format cell contain that text is a type of order, and bold and italic, go to the custom format and click a bold and italic, click OK and again OK. So order is a bold and italic. Sort the table by item hash smallest to largest. Select the item hash arrows and place the smallest to largest. Sort the smallest to largest. So question number 14 is complete. We can move to the question number 15. Question number 15 is a display the inventory summary worksheet. Go to the inventory summary worksheet. In the cell B4, enter the formula. Some reference B4 is the settle inventory worksheet. Is the settle total item stock display the B4. In a cell B4, enter the B4 is the settle inventory worksheet. In the settle total item stock display in a cell B4. Select the cell is B4 is the settle type is equal to and go to the settle inventory worksheet is the cell B4. Go to the settle inventory worksheet, select the cell is B4, press enter button. And next is in the cell B5 enter the formula that a reference to cell B5 settle inventory worksheet. In a cell B5 type is equal to and enter the reference is the settle inventory worksheet. Go to the settle inventory worksheet is the average price, cell B5, press enter button. And next is the median price is the settle inventory worksheet, type is equal to and settle average price display the B5. In the cell B6, B7, B8 enter the similar formula, reference median price, lowest and highest price, and go to the settle inventory worksheet, select the median price, press enter button. And next is the lowest price, type is equal to, go to the settle inventory worksheet and select the lowest price is the B7, press enter button. And last is the cell B8, enter the similar formula to the reference is the highest price and the settle inventory worksheet, type is equal to and go to the settle inventory worksheet and select the highest price is the maximum price, enter button. So question number 15 is complete.